Hey friends, Newski here. Hope you're doing well. So when I was in high school, the only class that I really ever got excited to go to was graphic arts class. I felt like that was the one really safe place where I could go and not feel judged, and where a lot of the quiet kids could go and not feel, pressure pushed around and create things and have it be very cathartic. And the teacher was really cool, and she let us listen to 90s alternative music, and it's where I kind of got into Death Cab and Weezer and Nada Surf and the Pixies and some of these bands I really still like today, who I would cite as influences. And there's a lot of cool talent in that class, and I really hope those kids are still creating stuff, because it was a kind of a stern, unfortunately, really kind of strict high school where I felt like, it was popular to kind of pick on quiet kids or arty kids. And unfortunately, I find that kind of true for society right now, and especially in America. Maybe arts and culture isn't super encouraged, and it can feel tough and weird if you're creating things and you don't have that encouragement, because you're doing something out of the box that maybe not anyone else is doing, and it's easy to feel uncomfortable, and it's hard sometimes to find that encouragement. And we can't all go on our own steam forever, right? We need community and we need other people. And I just feel like whenever someone quits what they were born to do, it makes the light a little dimmer for everybody, right? Because the community just gets more boring, and there's less heart. So that's kind of the theme that's been on my mind a lot, and I've been venting it into a new EP called The Stars Are As Good As a Nightlight. And I'm gonna get it up online here in the next month. It comes out February 23rd, but I'm gonna give it away to my buddies, to you, for if you get anything in the garage sale, and I'll post the link below. It's just, that's kind of what I've been working on, and I hope it's useful, because I don't know, it bums me out. I've seen my friends recently, a lot of them kind of like retire from music, especially when you get in your late 20s and you turn 30. Unfortunately, there's that extinction of arts. People give up, or they stop doing it for whatever reason. So I really hope we can push things in the other direction, and I hope you're well. And this is my neighborhood. This is Bayview, Milwaukee. It's really a fun place to live. I encourage you guys to visit sometime. I live right by the train in this cool area. But anyway, keep fighting the good fight, and be well, and hope to see you out on tour in the spring coming up here. Choop choop.